3, 2, 1. What is up, guys? So today I have a little something interesting and fun. You're hooked up to my quad right now, handless, free. And today we're gonna go for a little ride. We're gonna go see if there's any calves out. We're just checking calves pretty much. And then we'll see what else we have to do today. So I guess we'll just see how this ride goes. Because we heard that, so today we heard, well, my mom, she got a text from our neighbor saying that our calves, they were out, so we're gonna go check on them today. So we're gonna get into that. Hope this thing can, I'll put this water bottle in here quick. Just in case we get stranded. Strap her back on. So by the way, guys, today we're taking the old Yamaha Wolverine quad out, and hopefully I don't crash it. It's literally got gears in this old thing, so yeah. I think what we're going to do, though, my cousin Chad, he's got a way better quad than me. So let's just say that this thing runs off of there. She starts out pretty good. I just charged her battery. Put the choke in, maybe that might help. Alright. Over here, that one and that one over there, I think they were the cause of the, because they're the only calves over here, besides the ones that just came up over here. Besides that, I'm pretty sure everything down here is pretty good. Nothing else really to worry about. I mean, I guess we'll head back home now. Guess not today. Anywho, I guess I'll see you back at the farm or on the road back to the farm. Okay, folks, so alright guys, so it's a very windy day out today. So right now we're just gonna take my horse Chester for some grass, and we got him some carrots here from my mom's garden. We'll take him for a little walk by the trees and everything. good boy. How are you? Oh, I guess you can't see Chester. Here, let me show you him. That's Chester right there. He's kind of shy, I guess. Alright guys, so we're just going to feed Chester these carrots in here and let you guys. So right here, don't worry, it's just the camera. So right here we got Chester. Oh, you don't have to be such a butthead. You want some carrot? Hey, honey, my carrot. Good boy. Yeah, he likes carrots. Yeah, who's a good boy? See, the camera's not scary. Here, I'll slide the bucket for you. There you go. Yeah, you like it, don't you? And then afterwards, we're going to take him for a little walk. He's eat those carrots first, though. Holy smoke, I tell you guys, it is windy out today. Hey, look, it's Louie. Louie! Louie, come here, puppy. Come here, Louie. Oh, there's Louis. He's the oddball out of the group. We have a bunch of greyhounds, a bunch of cuties. Especially this guy right here. Oh, yes. Oh, good boy. Mm-hmm. Good boy. Yes, you are. Behind the ears. Oh, yeah. He likes it behind the ears. Hey! Wreck my mom's bowl. Stinker. Well, he dumped all his carrots out. Like a little bum head. Alrighty, guys, we got Chester here. You might get yanked a couple times. Come on, buddy. There we go. See that, don't ya? Yeah, you see that. Now he's hungry. Alright, everybody, we got Chester tied up to a tree. Oh, yes? What's wrong? What's wrong? Oh, you got caught. Hey, you can eat grass. There's a whole bunch of grass right here. It's all green and everything. He's sniffing the camera. It's not a treat, you know. Hey guys, so now we've got Chester put away. I kind of dealt with him. We're gonna hop back on the quad, and I'm gonna take you for a little tour. You know, so I'll just mount you back onto the quad. Hi everybody, it's getting really windy, and I see some clouds coming in, but I don't know what that means. So right now, I think what we are gonna do is just drive around, and I'll give you a tour. Alright guys, so the audio wasn't working the best, but right now I'm just gonna have to feed it to you because of the bumpiness and the quad vibrations. It just didn't sound right. So as we go along, I'll tell you what's happening right now. So right now we're kind of on our bumpy little ride here. We're going through the corrals where we usually chase our cows and everything. Right here to the side is right here to the side where I was looking and waved to. That's where we usually have calves that haven't had their babies yet. And in this pen right here where we're entering is our sorting pen. And then I point to the John Deere tractor over there. I like them, obviously. And then we got Chester over there again. I put him back, though. And we got over here, went through the gates, and to the left here is our Quonset. We put tractors and stuff in there. And then over to the left here, we got more of the chicken coop, obviously. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And then over there is some grain bins with another concept where we put our combine and all that. And then over here we got some more grain bins with an auger. It's pretty cool. Yeah. It's hard to remember what I was exactly saying at this moment, but I'm trying my best. So over here we got the crappiest header in the world. Nobody likes Case. And then over here we got our trees, just a little spot for us kids to play in usually. And we're turning. It's a little while. Trust me. Oh, we're coming up to the spot. So up ahead in the distance here, you can kind of see the tree house. That's where me and Sid, we just stayed the night in there. It was pretty fun. Yeah, it's kind of how it went. And then in the background there, you can kind of see the buck and barrel where I pretty much winded Sid bad. Yeah. And you should go check out that video. It was pretty cool. If you like this one, I mean. So guys, just a reminder here, make sure to like and subscribe. And right here to the right, that's the rake. It puts the swaths of hay into one big clump so it's easier to bale. And then over here in front of my beautiful head is the bale yard. And we got a bunch of bales and crap in there. Not really fun. But Tria shot a bird. Pretty cool. And we're gonna go turn again. So for our next little spot up here, we are heading towards the we're back at the grain bins here and the chicken coop and that shed. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. Like, bruh. Alright, and then over here we got the dog pen and the water truck. Pretty cool. Anyways, continuing with our tour. We're heading back over here. Oh, and in front of us there's the future truck I'm about to get. So yeah, my dad said I could buy it off of him eventually. I'll just move out of the way for you. There. Anyways, it's hooked up to the post pounder. So, and right here we got my house with the camping trail, the garage, the gator, and all that cool stuff. Yeah. Oh, and then over here we got the pump house and the garbage and the garbage dumpster. And then over here, turned back around right by the gator, is another concept we call the shop, and that's pretty much where we do all our repairing and fixing and all that stuff. And then I'm just going to show you some entertainment stuff that we have. Like my mom's garden. It's right up here. We took like hours upon hours just to do the carrots. It was painful. And over here we got some swings right there with a slide. We got our picnic table. We got our campfire and trampoline. And then right ahead of us here, across this road, a bump and another bump. Or over here, we just have this open yard in front of our house. It's pretty useless. We do really nothing with it. Yeah. It's all we really do with it, so. Yeah. So that's pretty much the end of the tour. Yeah. Now, yeah. So this tractor right here is actually the 4240, and it's a tractor I drive when I'm raking. 4240, right here. It goes with the rake. I showed you back there. And then right here we got chickens. They're very surroundable. They're very pushy too. Here, I'll give you a good view of our chickens. Alright, so these are chickens. Yeah. And a small white one right here. Not white, black. This small black one right here is Patricia. And then that one's Jennifer Lopez. And that's Princess Peach. She's pretty. And then we got over here, we've got a bunch of other chickens. Yeah. Chickens. Personally favorite is Patricia, because she's really loud and self-confident. Let's see if we got any eggs. I like chickens. You're not allowed to go in that place. So we just got golf balls in there. Apparently that helps with the laying eggs. And then down in here we usually have eggs that get pooped out. So our chickens are very racist. And all the brown eggs go into the actual box for some reason. And all the white eggs go into this one. I don't know why. Don't ask me. It's just the way they are. What are you guys doing in here? Jesus, these chickens. Chicken, come here. Chicken. Okay. I got the chicken, guys. Okay, she flies. Chicken. Get in there. Hey, no, not that way. Chicken. Okay, what are you doing over here? There's ruffled feathers of the chicken club. This one right here. Another one escaped. Okay. I hear this is difficult. Oh, there's. Hey! Oh, God. Okay, 1 second. I said you guys. Patricia, don't you dare even think about coming in here. There's one. Okay, that one. Shoo. Okay, I'll see if there's any that go back in here. No? You guys not being stickers anymore, alright? These chickens, am I right? Alright, I'm done dealing with chickens for now, for the day. My mom must have got the eggs already. In my next video, me and my cousin will be fishing down at my grandparents' cabin. If you'd like to see that video, make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.